Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Renault Kadjar 1.5 dCi Signature Nav EDC, a stylish and practical SUV packed with premium features. Featuring a panoramic sunroof, it enhances the cabin's airy and open feel. Finished in red with a half-leather, half-cloth interior, this Kadjar offers a perfect mix of comfort and modern technology. At the side, the roof rails, sculpted body lines, and electric folding mirrors provide both style and everyday practicality. At the rear, the LED taillights, front and rear parking sensors, and a sleek design ensure ease of use and a refined finish. Powered by a 1.5 dCi diesel engine, this Kadjar delivers impressive efficiency with a smooth EDC automatic transmission. Cruise control enhances comfort on long drives, while the start-stop system improves fuel economy. At the front, the signature Renault grille, sleek LED headlights, and 19-inch alloy wheels give the Kadjar a bold and premium look. Stepping inside, enjoy the BOSE sound system, Android Auto and Apple Carplay, and a user-friendly infotainment system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a multi-function steering wheel for seamless control. The spacious rear seats ensure excellent passenger comfort, making every journey enjoyable. A large cargo area offers practical storage space, making this Kadjar ideal for daily use and long trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration CN16 UPR to book a test drive or request a video tour.